Hello everyone, greetings from joylot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Cartier rimless eyeglasses, model CT0052o in color code 005. The color of the frame is brown, and these glasses are a rimless rectangular shape. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Cartier emblem engraved in the lens, and the bridge is gold. The temples are brown, and at its temple tip, you'll find the Cartier logo engraved in gold, and the iconic Cartier Dècor. The temples are made from a bolivar tree, which is a rare and precious wood, and each temple consists of 10 thin layers of wood glued and pressed all together in a process called lamination. This is the inside of the frame, and this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the model number and color code of the frame in gold, the dimension of its temple, which is 140, and the Cartier logo in silver. On its inner right temple is that it's made in France, again, the dimension of its temple, which is 140, and the Cartier logo in gold. The glasses also come with the white and gold Cartier box, a red and gold Cartier gift box, a black Cartier case, and on the case is the Cartier logo in gold, a Cartier booklet, a Cartier cleaning cloth, and on the cloth is the Cartier logo, and a Cartier dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out joylot.com and have a joyful day.